it was all around the battle going on in my mind of the what ifs. What if the leads dry up? What if I can't sell? What if I get nervous and my energy changes and now I'm in a place of scarcity and now it changes the way I'm coming across and dips my close rate. So it was all around these what ifs and possibilities. And I got to a point where when I joined UCM, I could tell there was this environment in the community where it was okay to share the thoughts, even if they were vulnerable on your mind. And that was one that was really holding on to me. And so I made a post, and I think it was something titled like where I am versus where I want to be. And I knew of Jacob. Obviously, he was one of the guys that made over 100K, and he jumped right in and started running this discovery on me, basically. And I was like, this is exactly why I joined. Like the minute it started happening, I was like, and I remember the scene vividly. I was on my daily walk. I had in my ears, listening to something. And then I'm going back and forth with Jacob in this discovery. And he basically closes me on the idea of how much longer are you going to keep doing this? And the minute he asked me that question, I was like, what the heck am I doing? And I felt this entire energy shift in my body. I started walking faster. I started just feeling excitement. I can feel it right now. In that first 4 months, I was logically trying to analyze everything. It was like, okay, how does this make sense for me to do this? And then he just, in a few simple questions, got me over the edge emotionally. And that's all I needed. And so in a moment, after 4 months of procrastination, I handed in my resignation that day without any hesitation. I honestly think I was just listening to one of your videos. And this is where it's all about energy and state and the way that you think. And I'll talk about this in a different way in a second, but listening to you and the way that you talk in your videos. And so this one wasn't a role play, but I just, again, felt the way that my energy was shifting by listening to you. I was thinking differently. I wasn't thinking in scarcity. I started thinking in abundance in that moment. I was like, okay, now, like, just by listening to this one video, I'm now in this completely different state. And this is the state that I want to be in. So I should probably align myself more with someone like that rather than continue being in this state. And I remember I basically put in my credit card information, paid while I was still listening to that video. So
Wow.
it was just putting myself in a different state and seeing things in this world differently.
That's very smart because if I'm understanding you correctly, what you're essentially saying is if you'd have potentially waited to the end of the video and waited a few hours or a day, you may have been in a lower state and you
Hmm.
wouldn't have taken action. And then another week would go by, maybe another month would go by. And instead
Hmm.
of making $37,000, it would have been another month of whatever you said before, 19. So the cost, if you didn't act then, could have been somewhere in the region of how many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.